Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Carnival Vista continues to face ongoing propulsion issues. This includes the cancellation of the September 7th cruise to allow more time for repairs. Now, here's how all this is playing out. Carnival Vista has shortened port time for its current 8-night sailing. It'll be back on September 1st. Carnival has revised the September 1st cruise, substituting Grand Turk and Amber Cove with Nassau and Freeport, so enjoy that, adding a $200 onboard credit and the option to cancel the September 1st cruise if you don't want to go to the Bahamas. Guests on the canceled September 7th cruise, well, you're not going anywhere. You're receiving a full refund, a 100% future cruise credit, and reimbursement for flight change fees. This is the third time Carnival Vista has been taken out of service while it was in service. And size matters. Just ask Royal Caribbean. The parent company, Royal Caribbean Group, has signed an agreement with shipbuilder Meyer Turku in Finland to construct a fourth Icon-class ship, which is set for delivery in 2027. Now, this deal also includes the option for a fifth and sixth Icon-class ship. Of course, Icon of the Seas, the OG, was launched earlier this year, and the Star of the Seas is planned for 2025 with one more unnamed one on the way as well. And taking a vacation with other people's money. 4 passengers from the MSC Magnificio were arrested for credit card fraud at the end of their trip in Miami over the weekend. The suspects, Michael Emanuel, Taisha Delgado, Devin Jones, and Quentin Tuck, used fraudulent credit cards in the ship's casino to withdraw large sums of money, but it didn't end there. Security officials contacted Customs and Border Protection, who then discovered further fraudulent activity tied to the suspects' bookings and transactions on board. When returning to Miami, all 4 were taken into custody and now facing multiple charges, including an organized scheme to defraud, grand theft, and fraudulent use of credit cards and identification. And cruise line stocks were mixed for Tuesday. Carnival Corporation up 2.6%, 17.04. Royal Caribbean up 4.3%, 169.06. Norwegian up 3.6%, 18.08. And Viking down 1%, 35.37. Lead on a story? Let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.